Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amalia, and a couple of weeks ago you may or may not have watched a video that I posted where I learned how to crochet. So today's video is very similar to that one in the sense that I'm trying something new out and I'm going to be documenting it in this video. So specifically I'm learning how to embroider. I picked up this kit in ALDI as well as my crochet one, and I really liked the design. It's like mushrooms and like it's very autumnal. Like I like the colours and everything, and I wanted to give it a go in this video. Okay, so I think it's about time I make a proper start on this project. As you can see, I've put it all together. I did that in the last clip, you've already seen that, but that was like literally a week ago. It's Saturday and I did that last Sunday. So yeah, it's about time I actually make a start on it and try to figure this out. Oh, well. That didn't go well, did it? I broke the needle. Look, it's snapped. Luckily, I do have a sewing kit and I do have some spare needles, so it's not like this video is completely doomed. Yeah, so this is the needle I have. It's a lot smaller than the other one, but I think it's actually the same. But the eye is slightly smaller, so that's going to be a bit tricky, but we can make that work, I think, hopefully. I don't know if it matters where I start, but yeah, I might do like all the yellow French knots, for example, and then just like take it that way, like do the outside French knots. I think I'm going to leave the mushrooms till last anyway, because by that point I will have a little bit more experience with doing embroidery, so hopefully I'll be better at it, and it's like the main part of the design. So my thinking is that by the time I do the mushrooms I'll be slightly better at it and hopefully it won't look too messy, and then if I like make a bit of a mess, if it's on the outside bit, it's not the end of the world because the focus of the project will be the mushrooms. So as you can see, I've done some of the yellow details. I've been doing the French knots, and I've just started doing these like leaf details. I've got a few to do on this one as well, and I'm really happy with it. You can definitely tell it's far from perfect, but this is the first one, second and third one I did, and I think there's definite improvement. So yeah, I'm just going to sit on my bed and do some more, just like work my way through it, because if I'm being completely honest, I want this done ASAP. Like, if I don't finish it this weekend, I probably won't finish it for a very long time. So I want to get a big chunk of it done tonight, so that I can finish it tomorrow, because there's a lot of other things I want to do tomorrow as well. So yes. So I've got a little progress update for you. As you can see, I've done pretty much all of the yellow that there is to do. There's just a little bit more of yellow to do with the middle of the flowers and some like on these plants maybe. And then I've done this plant, and I'm working my way through these two stems.
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love buried here.
up really late. It's like 9:20 now. I'm happy with what I've done so far. The back is a bit messy. I'm bored, I'm not gonna lie. I've also realised how awful the colour coding is on this sheet of paper, and I've sort of been going based on, well, originally I was going based on the diagram, but then I decided to start like referencing the photo on the box. I've been sat in bed this morning doing some more embroidery. I did some of the leaf details here and here. I did the stem and some of
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my
Hi everyone, so it's 2022 now. I thought I was going to get this video done a lot sooner. I thought I was going to post it at some point in December, and I started filming it in November. So we're finally getting around to finishing it. I spent a good couple of hours making progress on this yesterday, but I didn't film anything because it wasn't really anything special or interesting. But I can now say that I'm almost done with this piece, and I'm aiming to get it done before Monday. It's currently it's currently Saturday. I need to look up a tutorial to find out how to do a turkey stitch, because my instructions thing gives a description of how to do it, but I don't understand, and I think I'll get it easier if I follow a tutorial on it. So that's what I'm going to do. The tutorial will be linked in the description. And then yeah, once that's done, I've just got to do a few more French knots at the bottoms here, fill these in, and the details around the mushrooms, and then we're done. So this is my first row doing the turkey stitch. Let me go. I'm just going to work my way through it and fill this up, and then this bit and these two bits there.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la la la. La da 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 dee da da la da 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 la da la da la la la. La da la da 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 da.
Okay, so I am so close to being done with this, which I'm really excited about actually, because it's taken me way longer than I wanted it to take me. But yeah, I'm happy with how it's going so far. I've just got a few more French knots to do. Should take me about, I want to say half an hour to finish. I am now going to stick down the edges. Is my bed the best place to do this? Probably not. Is that going to stop me from doing it? It is not. I'm going to put some PVA glue around the edges and hope that works. I'm not convinced it will, to be honest, but we will find out. It's so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry and then I might need to stick it. I might need to add more glue or something, but yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry as it is for now and then we'll see. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. It's been a long one. It's taken me 2 months to film, maybe a little bit longer, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. I definitely enjoyed making this. Will I be rushing to do more embroidery anytime soon? Probably not, but I probably also will at some point in the next year do some more embroidery. I just need a break from it, to be honest. I think it requires a lot of patience and the sort of patience that I don't really have, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed and I hope that if you did enjoy, you will at least consider subscribing. I like to do a lot of creativity based stuff, but that's not the only sort of thing I post. I do mix in a bit of random content as well, but I would say doing stuff like this would be the main thing I post on my channel. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching and I will hopefully see you in my next video next week. Bye!